Today I want to talk about this variety of DIANTHUS that I have come across. If I am not wrong, I had seen these many years ago and never saw them again. Now these are the normal regular DIANTHUS, or pinks as we call them, the ones with beautiful patterns and a small size. In comparison, look at these. They are almost double the size of these. Now I'm not sure about where to get the seeds for these from. I will be looking for them next season. I'm also going to try and save the seeds from this plant and see if they come true to variety. As of now, I'm going to plant these and also propagate a few cuttings. I've got the entire root ball in my hand and I will not be removing the extra soil from this one. All set and planted for the season. I'm going to place them in full sun and also taking some cuttings for propagation. Make sure stems are a bit thick so that they can root properly. These are also great cut flowers, and while they are in water they will root as well. I have one growing indoors already. I'll show you. I'm going to keep this in a bit of shade till they root, and then I'll plant them in their own individual pots. Now this one was kept indoors in water. It had broken off and within a week it is sprouting. At the end of the season, if you want to save seeds, then you can let some of these flowers grow and not dead head them. They will form the seeds here and you can sow them for next year. I'm going to do the same. Also, I will be reporting back on the rooted cuttings and on how they do once I have repotted them. Also, how long do they last, and if the cutting rooted in water does survive outdoors. I will be sharing another video on that soon.